Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I wanted some saltfish fritters for dinner. I know it's not even a dinner dish, but I just wanted it, so I'm making it. This right here, I took the saltfish or codfish right out of the package and I put it into some water and I'm gonna boil it. Once you boil it, you want to pour it off and boil it again because codfish is salty. Right here, I have an egg yolk. I have a plate that has lots and lots of scallions, a tablespoon of chili pepper, and that right there is a small bell pepper that I chopped up super finely. I don't like big old chunks in my fritters. People like it that way. I don't. I chop every single thing really small, and some fresh thyme. Now, this is a saltfish after I boiled it twice and rinsed it off liberally. You want to break that up with your hands to tiny pieces. This is my flour, water, black pepper, and of course my egg yolk. And we're just going to put everything together. You want to add your egg yolk. Some people add the whole egg, but I add the egg yolk just for that little oomph. You want to pour your water in there. You need the consistency of like pancake batter. That's pretty much what you're looking for, pancake batter, because once you add all the other ingredients, it's going to tighten up. Then you're going to add your herbs, your pepper, and your chili, as well as your fresh thyme right down in there. And then I'm going to put the saltfish right down in there. And you just want to mix that up until everything is incorporated. Alright guys, so now we're just going to fry these up, or pan sear, fry them, however you want to say it. I'm doing about 2 tablespoons of batter. As you can see, I have a big old spoon. It equals about 2 tablespoons. You can make them big or small, And in about 1 inch of oil, a half an inch, I would say a half an inch. You don't want to deep fry these. You just want to like shallow fry them. And you're going to cook them on each side for about 4 minutes until they're nice and golden brown.